Heeeelp double S right here. Tubeless, that's what they call me. And I hope you are killing it with your ClickBank affiliate marketing, or I don't know, maybe you are a vendor or something, or it's Ogro, whichever one you are, just keep killing it. That's what I'm concerned about. So guys, in this video, I just want to quickly show you guys quick one. I actually need help with this right now. I'm seeing a strange money in my ClickBank account. Let me take you to my ClickBank account and show you what I'm talking about. I'm seeing a strange money. This is what I don't understand. You can see this is my account. This is paycheck. This is what they paid me, which you can confirm right here. You can see that right here inside my Payoneer account. Okay, this internet is acting up again. This is going to load up right now, so you see the money. Okay, so that's it. That's the money. It's gonna load up right now, so you can see that this is what they pay me into my Payoneer account, and that's 331. After they pay, what they pay is 334, but Payoneer has deducted their own fee out of the 334, so it's left with 331 right now. So you can see that ClickBank, this is when they pay it, 8th of July, 1st of July. This is how they split the money to pay me. But what I don't understand right now, guys, please help me with this. If you surpasses this area, as surpasses this, if you have the same experience and you know how to solve it, we can look at this. This is what I don't understand. These two, they wrote paid to is what I'm guaranteed that they paid me, and they wrote direct deposit and all that. You can see the date and all that. But this other money that I'm saying is what I don't understand right now. I don't understand right now. I don't see this in my in my pay. I don't see this on my pay on the first page where you log in and all that. So I just log in right now. Actually, what made me log in right now is the $24 sales that I saw that I made. I just appear in my account right now. I made $24 right now, and I saw that it was yesterday. That, but I think they just added the money on there today. So I'm trying to see where the sales came from, so I can see what I can do. I can see and all that. But now doing all those research and all that is where I'm now seeing all this. Guys, please, I don't understand what this means. What does it mean? Please help me. I need to understand what this means. I need to understand all this money that I'm saying, what it means here right now. And the row CDR, I don't know exactly what it means. Maybe I should right click it and open it in another date sent. Okay, status threshold. Now guys, so why I'm shooting this video is I just want to understand what all this money that are not appearing in my, that this is my account though, this is still my account, this is my account, but they are not appearing where the normal money that you made today, made yesterday, you know, all those kind of, if you're familiar with ClickBank, you know what I'm talking about. So guys, but I'm seeing all this money right now. 113.20, 113.20 second time, 113.20 third time. This is 63.50, this is 31.64, this is 31.64, another 31.64. I don't know where all this money came from, and I think this sales, all these things are been for. That's where I don't understand. They've been since last month. That's June 2020. They've been since last month. This other one was last month June. This one too was last month June, and I received these two of them. These two last month June, I've received them. So how come this one that are down below? How come this one that are below right now? How come if they, I don't know, I don't think if they are, I don't think they are my money, but they are showing in my account. So how come they are not appearing? How come I've not been seeing them so I can withdraw? You know where you can see the money you've made so that you can withdraw and all that. I'm not seeing them. They are not showing up right there. They're not showing. Okay, the this thing I click is not working right now. But guys, so like I said, I need help with this. If you've been into ClickBank for some time now and you understand it better than me, I'm still actually very new here in ClickBank, so I'm still very new in ClickBank, so I need to understand this. So please guys, maybe I'm going to put my email down below, or you see my Facebook right here. Please just my name is Tubless. Just search on Facebook. Come and chat with me on Facebook, or or I'll put my email down below. And if I didn't put the email down below, maybe I'll put my Facebook. You just reach me on Facebook. Help me out with this. Let me know what this money that I'm seeing here, what is all about, and what I can do with this. And I actually also want to learn from you. If you are watching this video right now and you've been killing it with ClickBank, please help your brother. I actually just run an ad on I run an ad. This is my this thing is loading up right now. It's gonna take time. I ran an ad on YouTube about some few days ago. Then I run another ad on Facebook about some few days ago also. I'm just trying to test out the water and see do different products, see how people are going to respond to all this. So yeah, this is the ad. This is my Facebook. This is my Facebook ad right now. The others ones that they had have run years back and all that. But this one is the active one that I just started running right now. So you can see the ad using ad. You can see it says result, 3 results. It has reached this ad has reached 63 people. It has reached 63 people. Impression 71 impression. Cost per result, that's 38 cents. Amount spent is a 1.15 spent. He said the ad is going to end on August 18, and page likes, 3 page likes. That's the ad I actually run. I want to run a page liked to my Facebook group. So when these people like the page, they can keep probably chatting with them or keep following them up and see how they are doing and all that. So that is the Facebook ad that I run. Then this is the Google, this is the YouTube ad that I run. This is the in-stream ad of YouTube that I run. And in this ad, let it just load up and let me show you what this ad is all about. I've not seen any sales that is coming out from these two ads that I'm running right now. Like, I've been running Facebook ad for years, but here on YouTube this is my first ever ad that I'm going to run on YouTube. So I'm still a little bit kind of new to how YouTube work and all that. So this is the product that I'm running ad on, the ClickBank product take page survey. So yeah, so you see this is the ad right now. You can see this is the ad. This ad is video of conversion ad. This eligible conversion is still 0, cost per conversion is 0, skippable in stream, impression 148, and view say 110 people has viewed this ad, view rate 73 people, average cost per. So guys, just want to show you that here I'm running ad right now. You can see that I'm running the ad right now, but I've not made any money with the ad. If you want to know how I made at least this 2 money that I've received right into my account right now, I have a video that is before this video that I'm shooting right now. You're gonna see how I show you how I made this money that you're seeing right now with completely free ad. Guys, I didn't spend any money to make at least this 2 money. I don't know where all this other money comes from, but this 2 money that I've withdrawn to my account, I didn't pay any money to get them. They are just free ad. I have a YouTube channel that I upload video on, and I just put the ClickBank link into the video, and it's from the YouTube account that I made this money that you're seeing right now. This money that is in my Payoneer account right now. This 331 or 334 that you're seeing here right now. So, but in the previous video before this one that you're watching right now, if you want to know how I made this money for free, completely free, go and watch that video, and I'll show you everything how you can do the same thing that I did that generate me that money. So guys, thank you so much for this video. Please like this video, share it, subscribe to this channel, and share it with your friends and loved ones. Comment down below, let me know what you think about this product and this problem that I'm going through, and help me to solve the problem. And if you don't even have solution to it, still comment and let me know what kind of video you want me to shoot next, or share this video with somebody you know that can help me solve this problem. Until I see you next time, I still remain your own one and only 2 to the BLE Tubless. I'll catch you later. God bless. Love you. Till. And don't forget, keep killing it with ClickBank. ClickBank pays you free. It's just that the only thing is that With free method, it takes time, but with paid method, it's faster. So keep killing it with ClickBank.